Today we're going to review a 9-in-1 device. This is an adapter for those machines that don't have enough USBs or HDMI or need a category 5 connection. This is a type C adapter, right? So this is great for a Surface, for example. Surface only has a couple of type C connections and they don't have certain adapters. So we're going to take a look at it. First of all, let's go ahead and take a look at it. You got a type C connection here. If you guys can see, that's one. They give you additional one. So you lose one, but you actually gain more. So you gain a type C. You get two HDMIs. You get an SD card reader, and then a micro SD card. And then at the end, this is a category 5 connection. All right, your Cat 5 goes in here. Your internet connection goes in there. On the back of it, you get USBs 3.0. If you guys can see, it tells you right there 3.0, and then you get a type A. This is a 5-volt connection, pretty much, to type it in. Now, at the beginning here, if you want to put it away, so make sure that the cable's not loose, you can always, tag this together and it locks in together. You can even hang it up in certain areas. This is great for the Surfaces, because Surface machines or any kind of computers that are really tiny, small, they're coming out really portable now. They don't have that many USBs, so this is pretty good for that kind of system. We're going to take a look at it and see how it works. All right. First of all, we're going to plug in a category 5 cable because we don't want to run wireless. Wireless is really slow. So we're going to go ahead and plug it in on the actual connection. I do have 2 connections on my Surface Studio here. And we're going to go ahead and test it out. And now we're running full potential because wirelessly, this thing does not run very good. We're running really slow, maybe 200 to 100. So depends on how many people are using my device, my wireless devices too. So one thing it comes with category 5 connection, which is great. I like that you have this category 5 connection right here. All right, so we have a display here. We're going to set up another one for right now. Plug in an HDMI connection in here. Here we go. That's one connection. And then we're going to run it off this device itself. You guys can see it. We're going to plug it in one connection directly to it, and we're going to run it as if we're running dual screens. And if you guys notice, there's the dual screens going to come up right now, and we're displaying off the HDMI.